Ever seen a car sticker that made you laugh out loud in traffic? Wait till you see these. They're fun, bold, and just plain hilarious. Don't honk, I panic easily. Running late is my daily workout. Keep tailgating, I need friends. Caution, driver powered by bad decisions. Don't worry, my brakes work, most days. I was going to let you pass, but then you honked. Don't follow me, I make wrong turns. My driving scares me too. Warning, sudden karaoke sessions ahead. I brake for pizza. Which one would you stick on your car? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more funny car moments.